Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the modem and the primary TP-Link mesh node, then connect the modem to the mesh WAN port with a short Ethernet cable. Once done, plug in satellites near the main node just to initialize them. You'll relocate later for coverage. Make sure you have your desired Wi-Fi name and an admin password available so you can configure SSID and security immediately. Do this to avoid multiple reboots and to ensure the mesh system registers all nodes cleanly. Open the TP-Link Deco app and sign in. The app scans and guides you to add the primary node automatically. You'll set the SSID and select WPA2 or WPA3 for stronger encryption. Choose WPA3 when all devices support it. Next, configure the network mode. Use DHCP for typical setups, static IP if your ISP provided one, or bridge mode if you're keeping an existing router. Make sure to name each satellite to track placement and to enable automatic updates for stability. Once configured, position satellites for optimal coverage. Aim for line of sight and keep them out of cabinets. After placement, run speed tests at several locations to confirm consistent throughput. If a satellite shows weak results, move it closer to the primary node and rerun the test. If a node won't adopt or loses connection, power cycle the modem and nodes first, then factory reset the problem node if needed, and update firmware via the app. This resolves most stubborn connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.